for grounding and bonding electrical systems. NEC 250.102 outlines general requirements, including bonding metal objects and equipment to the grounding electrode system. UL 9731 provides specific requirements for grounding and bonding metal objects and equipment, including those under the jurisdiction of the FCC. FCC Rule Part 17, Industrial, Scientific, and Medical Equipment, Section 17.40 contains grounding and bonding requirements for broadcast antennas and transmission lines. FCC Rule Part 90, Private Land Mobile Radio Services, Section 90.208 contains grounding and bonding requirements for commercial radio systems. For below-grade requirements, a continuous, below-grade ring of conductive material, for example, copper or rebar, encircles the building and connects to the grounding electrode system. This ring helps to dissipate and distribute fault currents. Ground electrodes should be spaced at least 6 feet apart and buried at least 8 feet deep. Regarding distances, the propane tank should be located at least 10 feet from the building. The generator should be located at least 5 feet from the building. The ATS should be bonded to the ground ring using a copper conductor. All other metal objects, such as conduit, piping, and tower supports, should be electrically bonded to the ground ring. Other things to consider are that the building and tower should be protected against lightning strikes using a lightning protection system. Grounding and bonding help to mitigate electromagnetic interference, or ME, and protect sensitive electronic equipment. The soil conditions where the grounding system is installed will affect its effectiveness.